This project name is request project. So by using this request module, what we are trying to do is we are fetch the weather data from this URL. So this is very simple project. So first what I need, request or EQ request module. Now I need a function. So before function, I make sure this main. So what does this name means? What does this mean? Which mean if I run this page, we put this page alone run. So not all the page will run. So we'll just make sure if I run this, I want to run this page only. So that's why we put that one. Then coming to the function get weather. So we got this city API key. Okay, this is a function name with the 2 arguments. So here I calling this main function, so that's why we need to initialize this main function over here. Diff API key, because you see this, that's a 2 argument. So this is the first argument. So we got this API key from GitHub. And second one is city. I get this as a user input. We enter the city name. Now I calling this function with this 2 argument, city and API key. Okay, this is enough for main function. Now coming to the get weather function. Here I declare this URL. So URL, copy this URL, paste the URL over here. Try calling this inside this URL. Here you can see city and API key. So here I use this F, which is nothing but format. So if you use this F, we can pass the variable inside the string. So that's why I'm using F. So with the curly bracket, I call this argument city and API key. So we got 2 argument. Now response is very important. Response is equal to request dot get. So this is the get function. So what we can do by using this request module, we can do get, post, and put, delete. So we can do this. And now I'm gonna write this. If the response dot status code is equal to 200, which means successfully we are processing the request, or successfully we are get the request. If the request is 200, then this function, this condition will be true. So this function will execute. Data is equal to response dot JSON. Well, let's write this data, how it should look like, so that we'll get the idea. Right? Let's start with code again. Chennai, because I'm currently in Chennai, so I just want to know the weather for Chennai. You see, this is the weather in Chennai right now. You see the latitude, longitude, weather, and temperature. Oh my gosh, 3478 Chennai weather. You see this? That's in Celsius. But this API tells us the exact weather. And yeah, we got the weather. So we need this temperature value. So this temperature is a key. This 34.78 is a value. Okay. Now coming to the topic. I got the data successfully. Now I need temperature. Temp is equal to. So inside the data, there is a main. There is a main. Here is a main. Inside the main, there is a temp. So TMP. Let's run this temperature. The temp of Chennai. Temp TM. Okay. Chennai, CHENI. Oh, that's a spelling mistake, so that's why we can't get the data. CHENI. So I got the answer 34.78. Working perfect. Now I need a description. DS. Inside the description, I can write this weather WTHER. Where is the weather? Let's look at the JSON so that we'll understand where is the weather. You see this? It's the weather. Inside the weather, there's a description. I copy this. Then here, paste this. Now print this description. Okay, run this code. CHENI. Oh my gosh, there's a error. Okay, why we got a error? Let's. Okay, the reason is this is inside the array. So if you want to access anything inside the array, we should access via the index. So here I put this index 0. Now I run this code. CHENI Chennai. Still I got error. Why? Oh my gosh. Weather spelling is wrong, so that's why. Chennai. You see this? Scattered, cloudy. Let's see this here. Partly cloudy. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Why showing like this? Okay. But then we got the answer this. Now delete this print. Delete this print. Here I got the this. The Chennai weather is Chennai weather is stored in temp variable. Again, I'm going to put this all inside the format. So if you use format, you can put your variable inside the curly bracket. So it's working. And the description DC. Okay, everything fine. Now go to the spot. Print. Print. Okay, print. You can't access the data, which means here we got 200, which is everything is fine. You can ask the server. But if there is any problem on the server, you'll get a different status code like 404 So we saw all the topic. You see this 200, which means everything okay. 40404, which means not found. 400 bad request, 500 internal gateway, internal server error, 302, 403 function error. So there are a lot of status code. If the condition is false, this condition is false, then this else will execute. So response status code. We have successfully completed this simple project. Let me run this code. Chennai. You are. We got a perfect answer. The Chennai weather is 34.78 and the description. Yeah, we got the correct answer. I hope you guys all understand this project. If you need this project, you go and get the link on my description below. If you have any doubt on this project, you can ask me. You can connect me on LinkedIn. There I will reply your questions. Now, the simple project works well. Okay, now move to a big project. So first project, you are completed.